Dependence of animals on plants. Today is a holiday for Sam and his father, so they are watching television. Sam is watching his favorite program on plant and animal life. He sees that a leopard catches a deer, kills it, and eats its flesh. Sam says that how cruel the leopard is to kill the poor deer. So father tells him that the leopard depends on other animals for its food. In nature, every living being depends on other living or non-living things for its survival. For example, animals depend on plants for food, while plants depend on animals for pollination, seed dispersal, and carbon dioxide. Similarly, human beings are dependent on plants and animals for many things. Also, there is interdependence between living and non-living things. To make Sam understand this, father holds his hand and takes him inside the television. Now they are in a forest. Father tells him that all animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. Green plants are called producers because they produce their own food. They contain a green pigment in their leaves called chlorophyll. They prepare their food in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll using carbon dioxide and water. This process of preparation of food in plants is called photosynthesis. This food is eaten by animals and human beings. Hence, they are called consumers. Some animals like rabbits, zebras, deers, etc. eat only plants. These animals are called herbivores or primary consumers. Whereas the animals which depend on other animals for their food are called carnivores. These are secondary consumers as they feed on herbivores, that is, primary consumers, while animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. For example, humans, bears, etc. From this, we understand that the energy obtained from sun is stored in the food prepared by plants. This energy is passed on to other living beings. This flow of energy from one organism to another in the form of food is called a food chain. Disturbing any part of the food chain would disturb the balance in nature. Therefore, we should not do anything which may cause the elimination of any living being. In addition to food, animals depend on plants for oxygen. Plants release oxygen during photosynthesis, which animals take in while breathing. Also, many animals, birds and insects get shelter from trees. Thus, animals depend on plants for food, oxygen, shelter, etc.